Hello and welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase b and then look at some words that begin with the letter. So let's begin. To write lowercase b, we go down, up a bit and around. Down, up, around. Down, up, around. Let's look at some words that begin with the letter. B is for book. B is for bed. B is for bin. B is for bookcase. And finally, B is for bear. If you like this video, please support our channel. It really does help. Give this video the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. We also have free worksheets on our website. Visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching.